There it is. I got it. Alright, I gotta make breakfast, and I just like, it's early. It's 1:09 in the afternoon. It's early, but we're in COVID land, so that's early. Fuck, I keep forgetting about these toast art cakes. These are good. These are toast art cakes. So I don't yeah, there's potatoes and onions. Don't worry about it. All right. So I'm gonna make a breakfast thing now. The only thing I did to prep was defrost this bagel from my freezer yesterday, and I'm getting ready to do things to it. And that's all I've done to prep. It's like, you know what? I haven't filmed a Z Cooks in a while. Let's show everyone how Z Cooks works. So, at exactly 1:10, I will start the process of making what I consider to be a perfect breakfast. And I'm going to have to get things. But this is it. This is like a timed... It's not a timed event. I just want to know exactly how long it takes me. I'm not going to... Oh, there you go. All right. We need this because I'm going to do a chocolate milk. We're going to make eggs. Oh, God, it's stuck. Oh, God. Unplanned event. The thing ripped to shit. Okay. That was weird. 1 egg. Y'all gotta learn. I guess I'll just put that back in there like nothing happened. I need egg whites, a little bit of whites, and I'm gonna need some cheese. Where's my good American cheese? Yes, there's such a thing as good American cheese. We'll have a piece of ham, alright? It's gonna be a little bit of like an extra thing. Alright, I got ham. Putting the broiler on high. Taking this out from there. Leave the door open so you know. Put this on relatively high. My egg is good. I need chocolate milk makins, so we gotta go in here. Look at my bed, which is currently... Can't stop and look. Can't stop and look, Megamine. Megamine, I can't stop and look. I gotta work. I'm trying to work here. I'm making breakfast. I'm hungry. Oh, there's something else I gotta get out. It's gonna blow minds. Is it also in the cheese bin? It should be, unless it isn't. And this broccoli, maybe? Yes! I have 2 cream cheese things. Let's see if the other one is still viable. This is pretty old. Still smells good. We'll use that, and if I run out, I'll use that. So what we're going to do is we're going to third my bagel first, which, it's a very small bagel to third. I'm going to point that out. This is not... My knife bent. Might just be my mind. Luckily, this bagel was out all night and it got a little bit stiff. Like if it was a super fresh bagel, it's much harder to third it. Cut the bottom off. I'm going to cut the top off. And you want to try to get it as close to the point where it stops being... Don't put your finger through the bagel. I've done that. I've cut my fucking finger because I had it like in the bagel. Which I don't know if that just makes me the best person or the worst person. Probably the latter of those two. Oh, I should have the toaster oven on. Alright, that is like a perfect thirded bagel. And we're going to toast some shit. So let's get this in there. And that should have been on beforehand. But we're heating up our pan, so it doesn't matter. We need 1 slice of cheese. Just 1 slice of cheese. We're also going to need good butter. I have very, very good butter. I don't know, I probably haven't cooked much. I haven't made many cooking videos since then. This is the French stuff. But this is the blue package, which is it's too early for this shit. God damn it, knife. Cultured. It's cultured butter. We're going to take a nice thick slice of that. And we're going to put that on the flatter piece of the bagel. So it doesn't drip off when we shove this in the toaster oven. And break this up into a couple different sections. We're doing good here. All apart. $16 a pound this shit is. You buy half a pound at a time. That lasted me for like 2 months because it's too good to use on like random bullshit. I'm not trying to super toast this. I just want to give it like a little bit. We could actually start stripping the American cheese too, if you have the time. It's a weird bagel shape. I would just lay it on usually, but not today. So these are going in the toaster oven. This, I need 1 slice of ham. And I really should have done all this stuff before I opened and closed the fridge like 3 times. Only 1 slice of ham. Don't need that second slice. We're gonna need our D milk. Our pan is right about rocket hot. Okay. Get this done quick. Squeeze all the air to the top so you can do that, knock all the dust down. This is still the best chocolate milk, by the way. Carnation's Instant Breakfast, the chocolate. Nesquik. Cover the entire amount of Carnations. We're going to cover it and shake. We are going to overheat this pan too, which I don't want. In fact, let's lower it. In fact, we could probably shut it the fuck off, honestly. We're going to start with this. It's already greased. One of those. We take our single 1 egg. As low as you can break it to the fucking thing. You don't. We're gonna probably shatter that yolk, but not right this second. So, get out of here, you fuck. So that's not quite toasted, but it's not quite a raw piece of bagel anymore. That has to go in there in a second. Not this second though, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cream cheese this motherfucker. So the middle third of a thirded bagel always gets the cream cheese. And you don't have to toast the bagel if you don't want. I just kind of want to. But since we're only doing 1 bagel and 1 egg, this is like your pre-breakfast breakfast. Oh, and I love my cream cheese on there thick. How's my egg looking? Remember, we put the broiler on for a reason. Because we only need to get this egg cooked on the bottom. And then we move it off the stove. We do that, we shut this off. 1, 2. The ham is a new thing. We put the ham on the side. Ham on the side. Nom, 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 nom. It's like the perfect thing. Ooh, bah. Don't lose the butter. The cheese, you just watch the cheese. Shouldn't need that anymore. It's all part of the plan. Whole milk. 2 types of powdered chocolate. I guess I didn't need this with this. Milk back. You belong in a cheese jar. You're egg related. In the corner there. Perfect. Now what we need is to extract the other bagel. My cheese back. Off. Okay. I'm a little lost right now. Guess I'll throw you ham down on the cheese. Give you an unfold. Good carbon steel pan. Better than any nonstick you'll ever own, ever. Remember I said I'd break that yolk? I lied. Now we break that yolk. Put this down here. Clear that off. Close this. That'll get clean and wiped and put in. Oh no, we've made a mess. Oh no. That's the worst thing ever. Do not let the egg dry on this. Don't wash it with hot water. Put this back immediately where it belongs. Finish your cream cheese bagel. You want to give that a minute to like the cheese to melt more and then settle and the butter to get places. I should not need a fork. Shouldn't. May as well take the full fucking paper towel now because you're gonna need this. Of course, this is about to be a sticky fucking disgusting mess. But because a whole bagel is too much bagel. I consumed like the middle 60% of that bagel. And you want those bagel fins. And you pick that shit up. And that's still like, that's, and it's gonna get in your hands. Like it's just, you could break the yolk when it's in the pan. If you want like a fried egg. I love just being able to dip my bagel in it. And I didn't put salt or anything on it because I have butter and I got cheese, so. Oh, perfection. And ham. Ham tobacco. It's the perfect thickness. It's the perfect thickness. That's what the ladies say. And the contrast is hot, cheesy, savory meal. Get out of my cup, you bitch. Make sure you're dripping over the other half of it, by the way. I'm just gonna finish this half. This is perfection. This is, Shut that off. That indicates the burner's on. In my head, if that light's on, the stove was on. Wipe your face. All right, we're contrasting that now. I don't know why. It's ingrained in my childhood, but the opposite of that is this. And you have to shake, you can't stir. You gotta get a bowl jar. I'm using a Talenti thing from like ice cream. Fight her. Get the cheese out of my teeth. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so fucking good. Breakfast. I'm gonna consume this other half off camera. Just know it will be amazing. And you probably could use a little spice on there. I would have, if you really want to like I'm almost out of red pepper flakes, which is a terrible tragedy. But I keep my red pepper flake grinder in here. Do that. You can also dip it in hot sauce. Do a whole bunch of other things. But what time is it? It's 1:24. So this is a 50. I'm gonna be finished with this. If I wasn't talking, I'd have been done in 15 minutes. From like nothing's happened to I've finished eating in 15 minutes. So there you go. That's 15-minute breakfast fucking extravaganza. Title of my sex tape. That makes no sense. Join the Patreon if you want to join the fucking Telegram chat for Cooking Consortium.